Welcome to Travel and Adventures. Today in our program, we are going to talk about an amazing country which is located in Europe. This country is Spain. My name is Angela Perez and I'm going to show you some reports about important topics of this country. So the topics are culture, economic problems, solution for these problems, and for and against arguments. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to show you Spain economy report, which is a really important topic because Spain's economy has faced severe challenges and as a result, day by day, many people have lost their jobs. Spanish crisis started in 2008 and main factors that caused were the high prices of the raw materials, the overvaluation of the products, and the inflation in the whole world. So let's see the report.
Economic crisis is a problem that is affecting all countries in the world, especially those countries that are suffering an economic stagnation like Spain. As a result, day by day, many people have lost their jobs and living standards are declining. The first thing that the Spanish government must do is to implement an economic plan that has a main objective to benefit those families who have lost their jobs. Also, they have to create marketing solutions in order to attract customers. Another important thing that the Spanish government must do is to raise taxes on large fortunes and banking, fight against corruption, and provide temporary public jobs for those who have lost their jobs. However, it is not only the government that should provide solutions to improve the economy because all the nations have to make an effort. For example, Spanish people should keep their job in order to save money. Rich persons should help poor people, giving them food, financial aid, and accommodation. How to survive in the economic crisis in Spain? This is the most important question that most of the Spanish population interrogates. People and government are trying to find solutions for this problem, but there have been a lot of obstacles that do not permit that objective. That is why news tell the world that the recovery in Spain is really slow. To conclude, economic crisis is a global problem which involves financial issues and social difficulties. That is why Spanish government have to implement solutions plans in order to increase.
In this part of the report, we are going to listen some arguments in order to discuss what have been said about the economic crisis in Spain. As my friend said, we consider the best solution for this problem is that the Spanish government must implement a program that has its main objective to benefit those families who have lost their jobs due to the lack of opportunities and resources, in order to decrease the unemployment rate. For example, create an organization that should provide temporary public jobs opportunities in large companies. This solution can have a lot of advantages because earnings will rise, and this should be the most important thing that the government have to do. I agree with this argument because if people have a job, they can support their families and save money. Another relevant thing that Spanish government must do is to raise taxes on large fortunes in banking and also fight against corruption, because if the government stops stealing money, Spain will progress. However, it is not only the government that should provide solutions to improve the economy, because all the nations have to make an effort. For example, rich people should provide health for poor people, giving them food, financial aid, and accommodation, so they can save money and they will have resources to buy their general needs. How to survive to the economic crisis in Spain? This is the most important question that most of the Spanish population interrogates, and as a result, Spanish government has done some solution in order to provide more jobs. These solutions consist on fire immigrants and hire only people that were born in Spain. That's why immigrant situation in Spain is not really well, and that's why there has been a lot of Spanish Revolution because people are not agree with this solution. We consider that the Spanish government shouldn't have done this because if a percentage of the population doesn't have work, I mean immigrants, Spain economy will be suffering and stagnation. We are totally against this solution because the economy stagnation can have a lot of disadvantages. Like, for example, immigrants won't have money to support their families, and economy levels will decrease, and this is the last thing that the government wants to happen. Also, there will be more needs and poor people without a stable home. Another relevant thing that Spanish people should do in order to increase economic levels is to invest in manufacturing, because if they invest, there will be more companies and as a result more jobs. Now talking about taxes. Government should cut taxes across the board because if taxes are reduced, this will increase the confidence of individuals and businesses, will increase trade, investment, business growth, and hiring. On the other hand, one of the most important things that has to be studied by the government is the consumer confidence, because if people have a belief in future success, they will invest their time, energy, and capital in ways that will restore the economic growth path. Confidence has been undermined in many ways over the last 2 decades. One of the greatest problems has been the lack of investment in manufacturing in this country. The result has been a loss of what the politicians terms they named good jobs. A series of articles discuss the problem and things to be considered in a long-term solution. To conclude, the economy depression is a really important topic that might be solved as fast as possible because it has brought a lot of different issues such as lack of job opportunities and poverty. As a result, many countries like Spain are suffering stagnation and people doesn't know how to react. Some good solutions have been raised, like for example, create job organizations, fight against corruption, raise taxes on large fortunes, provide health for poor people, invest in manufacturing, and help poor people. But there have been another solution that are affecting immigrants. That's why Spanish government have to start thinking as a society.
Spain is a country with great festivals. One example of this is the city of Madrid because it very lively and offers all kinds of events typical of a large city. You still retain the charm of the around and traditional taste of the village. As it is called, it is true that in some sense and in the depends of the his soul Madrid is still a town. The city still offers all the authenticity of a small town, charming and versatile by represent to the visitor. If you have the opportunity to taste some of these festivals that take place from the first second of the beginning of the years. On the other hand, the New Year's begins with the big show. Nearly 40 million Spanish people will be watching every year at midnight of the great clock of the Puerta del Sol, which will issue the traditional 12 strokes and take your 12 grabs are during the last 12 seconds of the years. This moment marks the beginning of the party that unfolds throughout the city. On January takes place on cultural traditional Three Kings Paradise, which marches through the area of Hortaleza. Carnival seems to represent the input on the Magi in the city that carried the gift of children. This is also a tradition that was repeated by many Spain cities. In December, close the years with the exhibition and sale of different things and Christmas trees in traditional jobs localized in the Plaza Mayor, a spectacle of light and color with all the charm and romance that comes with such traditional festivals. Finally, in January, the feast of Corpus Christi with paradise of gigants and big heads. This is called the dancing egg. In the fontaine, in the cloister of the cathedral, for 3 nights of June, a ever special and fun party deserves our attention. San Juan, a celebration that traces its origins to pre-Christian times during which they celebrate with fire and fireworks in every street. In the town Catalonia, for example, and in late June the festival begins. The Greek on different things. Finally, you can find special festivals in Spain with your family and with your friends, and a special experience.
We have finished our program. I hope you like it. See you tomorrow. Bye.